What up, Nick?
What's up?
What up, JR?
How you doing?
Good.
Red's pretty wicked, huh?
Hmm?
Red's pretty bad, huh?
Yeah.
See that?
Yo. What up? Oh, damn. EJ fucking... did the move already. God damn it. Right when I got above there, that was my call. No. Oh, man. It's alright. We got a good trade right above here, too. Hopefully it'll come back, form support, and then go up. I mean, GJ spread's not as bad as it was yesterday. It was normally at like 8. It's sitting at like 4 right now, so maybe GJ will be decent.
DJ spread will come down to about 1.5, 2 again.
Well, the candles are normal too on GJ. Look at that. Look at this big one. This normally was like 30 pips and okay. Oh, now GJ spreads back at 6. What up, Yen? What up, Frankie? Moody Mo, yo. Um. Oh yeah, I got you, Yen. What's going on over here? Oh, I gotta get the Zoom link into Rakil's group.
You trade New York today, Paul?
I gave it one halfway attempt and then I just called it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was wild. The stop losses were just massive.
What up, Paul?
Yo.
Yeah, everything seems to be trending up right now.
Mm-hmm.
DJ, UJ, and EJ. So that means Japan is weak then?
Technically, yeah. What up, Omar?
I think it'll be nice buys, like 130.30 above that.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I wanted the buys on EJ, kind of where it just broke above now, but the spreads are, it did it too soon.
On EG?
EJ, yeah, I was gonna look at EJ if GJ's spread was too high. But if GJ spreads are normal, then I'm gonna take GJ. Yeah, we got 80 pips there, and then EJ is the same exact thing. I just don't think it's the same amount of distance. Yeah, we got about 30, but still plenty of
Yeah,
room.
they look identical, EJ and GJ.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, GJ has way more pips, but whichever has the better spread is what I'm gonna go with, because 30 pips is still a really, really good trade.
What's up, y'all?
Yep.
Oh,
I miss anything yet? I just got in.
Nope. Gonna wait for 23 more minutes, and then hopefully spreads will be down and we can get something.
Alright. How's everybody doing?
doing well. How are you?
I'm good, man. I just woke up from a cat nap.
Skeeting that?
Been on that Dota or what?
Nah, well, I was, and then had swept teammates, so I took a nap. I just go back and up.
I really hope GG doesn't break this right here.
Yeah, I'm still looking more towards GJ self.
No, I'm looking for buys, but the spread is just at 5, I think, so right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's much. I just want it to break right now. Or if it breaks, like retest that low.
Now I'd have to break that. Actually, yeah, Paul's got it marked. Wait, that's Euro.
Here we go. Here's GJ.
Yeah, that same resistance you got up top. I'm waiting for that to break. If it breaks back down, though, that's just confirmation for sells. So we'll see what happens.
Yep, I get to take sells down here.
Yeah, exactly.
Magic Key should be here next week. What up, Nefes? I think we'll actually get a trade tonight. EJ's at a 2 spread. I like that. I like that. Probably get in EJ soon.
I used to trade EJ over GJ, but for some reason, obviously GJ moves more.
Yeah, you can get, GJ's got about 80 pips to the upside. Or GJ's got 80 pips to the upside. EJ's only got about 30. But still, if we can catch 20, that's a nice move. A nice job. Just a little early for me, that's all.
I just looked at EG. EG looks clean too, like how you were saying.
Yep. Yeah, they both look really good. It's just Whichever one has a better spread and a better stop loss is what I'm going to take. Because it's going to be the same trade. You might be able to get an EJ sooner. Because the spreads are already between 2 and 3 right now. But it's got to get above that resistance. Yeah, I know, Argo. Hold up. I'll pull it up in... I'll pull it up now. Screw it. Whatever. What up, Black Falcons? There we go. So we're looking for buys. I mean, ideally, this stop loss here for an entry here, probably too big. Plus spreads are too high, so yeah, 21 pips. I think we can get a much better trade than that. Plus spread, like I just said. So I think we'll close above here. Definitely a break above this bearish wick, and then definitely something to push above here. And I think we're gonna have a ton of good upside. And then for EJ, literally same exact chart. Once we get above this bearish guy right here, I think we're going to be good to come up to here. If we go to the 30-minute, that's just a wick to be filled. It's going to go fill that wick. Kind of probably close above here and then retest and fill the wick and go up. Or it's going to reject and come down, but we'll see when it happens. I'm going to leave it on EJ and put an alert on GJ. What up, John? What up, Ali?
Apa yang boleh? Yang Let me stop.
Yep, I think we should be good.
So you'd still be waiting for that high to be created, then drop back down, kind of like a retest, and then take it all the way up?
Yeah, I mean, if this wasn't so big, I'd like it above this bearish candle, but we still don't even have the hourly before Asian spread drop yet. So I'm hoping this one doesn't close above. It closes like it is in 5 seconds. and then the next one will start to close above, and then take it on the next high. I think it's going to go fill the wick and then continue. Because it broke above this hourly, now it's heading up to this hourly. And this hourly broke below here, tried to go down. So I think we're going to definitely get above here, because otherwise this would have continued down. Yeah, I don't think it would make sense for us to do like up, down, up, break below everything, come back up to go up to come back down. But maybe it'll come form support here, and then we can take it from here to here. What up, Doug? Oh, I think GJ. Yep. If only spreads weren't so high. That would set up real nice. If this thing closed like weak bearish, enter above the high once it breaks. If spreads are normal, that'd be nice.
Yeah, they're back at like 7, 8 pips again.
Mine's at like 5 to 6 on GJ, which is normal before the hourly, before Asian. It's not just sitting at 8 constant.
Yeah, no, it's definitely moving.
Yeah, so we'll see. Because remember yesterday, I mean, even Thursday, it wasn't even moving. It was just stuck at 80.
Yep.
Mine was at least. So I'm thinking maybe because it's moving a little bit, it might be normal. But I think GJ and EJ both look really good. I'm going to leave the alert here and look at GJ just because if the GJ spread comes down, I think I'm going to like that one better. Just because we have more room on GJ, we can actually be in the trade for less time. Excuse me. I did switch the stream time. What up, Dom? Because it's already almost 6 o'clock here. We're normally done trading Asian session by now.
I don't know, dude. I kind of liked it the other way, not gonna lie.
Yeah, same.
Cause now it's like, dude, we're not getting trades until like 7:30, another like hour-ish.
Yeah, and then that's closer to the 4-hour close, and yuck.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's because look, like the move kind of already happened on all of these pairs. Like I could have seen like 3 trades, GJ, UJ, and EJ that did the exact same thing that were very easy.
Yeah, but that's why it was easy, is because the spreads are up. They don't want you to be in the market, so they make it so that's when it looks good.
Yeah, but I mean, like last week, like it would have been an hour pushed back, and like I thought what was it? Not last week, the week before, whenever the time changed, like those were easy moves that we caught.
Yeah.
Like how many did we win in a row? It had to be a decent amount, minus that I think it was a Sunday trade that we messed up or something.
No, last Thursday was the first loss in 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's
Yeah.
a lot in a row when the time change was the other way.
It'll adapt.
Yeah.
Because the time is still the same for Asian session for like Asia, but it's just our time that changed. So the moves should still happen at the same time and be the same. It'll just be an hour later for us.
Yeah, like UJ is like literally like a 1 pip spread, if that, like a 0.8, 0.9 pip spread right now. I'm gonna see what EJ is. EJ is like 3.
What's up, Mary? Yep. Yeah, yesterday was a no trade day for me on stream. EJ's moving up too. Trying. Yep, just message me on Instagram, AG. I got you. Oh, I got it. Yep. Yeah, this thing closed like this and the spreads dropped to normal. Oof, buys right there, up a little bit. That'd be perfect. 12 pips. Got a nice trade.
Good morning, boys.
Yeah, we out.
Oh, what a morning. Fucking no trade day for me yesterday, so hopefully we can see what we're looking at today.
Yeah, I think today will be good. We get above this little bearish guy right here. It's gonna be lovely.
Yeah, that'll be a nasty move, especially if this closes just like this.
Get a nice stop loss.
Yeah.
Let me see if MT4 is above. No.
MT4 is like right at it, but I think given the fact that if it pushes above it, then it'll make that move.
Yep. Oh, MT4 did get above. The bearish one wicked above it. So yeah, just above this candle would be fine. Yep, that's what I'm thinking, Scott. I'm gonna enter once it breaks the high, but I'm thinking buys as well.
So even if this thing flipped all the way up,
What do you mean?
like on this candle, or you need a candle to close first?
Oh, the spreads are too shitty right now, so I'm not doing anything regardless. But if spreads drop, then yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep. So if this flips now and goes, kind of SOL.
Yep.
But
maybe they'll calm down a little bit at 7, kind of like the pre-market. I don't know.
yep, yeah, they should calm down 1 hour before, like they always do. If they don't, it's gonna be messy the whole session again. But then I think we can get away with EJ with like a 2 pip. This thing seems to be respecting that area, so.
I took a sell on gold yesterday.
How'd
It
it
was
go?
a pretty fucking good trade. I wasn't in drawdown at all.
Nice. Those are the best ones.
What did I enter at yesterday? I think I went short 15.31, closed half at 15.05, and closed the rest at 14.80. So
Damn.
it was pretty
Pretty nice trade.
smaller lots because I had a bigger stop loss, but just thought it was
Still sounds like a nice trade.
it was very good. I didn't obviously expect it going to 15 or 14.50. It's just look at that wick there.
Gold this morning dropped like crazy.
Shit. Oh, this morning too.
Yeah, it dropped like crazy. I got 75 pips in like a minute, like less than a minute, like 30 seconds.
Damn.
That's crazy. But man,
Yeah.
gold is not to fuck with.
No.
One pick, one candle is.
A
My
second in
trade.
gold is crazy.
Mm,
At the like right now, second in gold is crazy because I entered, I looked down, I was like, what the hell? And it closed right away. I got scared. I was like, what the hell is this?
What up, Blake? Yeah, Nathan, we figured that out last week. I don't think you've been here, but we figured that out. So spreads should be coming down in about 3 minutes.
Oh, the guy that was just talking now. Do you know who that was?
Yeah, that's me, Gurja.
Gurja.
What up, Hayden?
Real quick, just something I know, because I've been flipping through the higher time frames.
Mhm.
Where price is at now, it's like a 1 hour and a 30-minute resistance. But being that where you're looking for a buy, you're not really paying attention to that one, or just.
Well, the last bit of issue is going to be this wick right here, and it's already above it on MT4. And then we should get up to here pretty clean. Because if you're looking at this area right here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so my thought is price came up through it and down through it with no issue. So this area is kind of irrelevant. Because if it was still gonna show an issue, it shouldn't have came up and down through it twice. Super nice. Is my opinion. That's how I look at it.
It's a pretty wide stop loss. Mine's 26 pips.
On GJ?
Yeah. 15-minute time frame. Below the previous.
More like 12.
I think we'd be doing the current 15 because this 15 switching in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So
Okay.
it'd be about 12.
Yeah.
EJ spreads have dropped down.
EJ, yeah, GJ's dropping too. I like it.
GJ for me is still at like 4, 3-ish, 4-ish.
Yeah, mine's at 3 now, coming down to 2. I'm gonna just get ready just in case.
I kind of wish this one would have.
Mine's at 1.8. Now it's fucking 30.
Oh, you're probably doing the 30-minute, aren't you? Alright, so we're above everything now. Hourly should come up and, I'm assuming, fill that. That would make sense.
Problem is, it's running now.
Just wait for a retest or a pullback.
Spreads kind of seem to be leveling off.
Because the next hourly's gonna have to create a lower wick.
Yep.
It doesn't have to, but like
It should.
I'm hoping it does. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, spreads are at 4 still. 7. Oh boy. What did EJ end up doing? I think I'm gonna take EJ instead.
EJ, this is a first.
Well, I don't like the.
Or EJ is about to run up now.
Yep. What? Why did my trade not go in? Excuse you. Oh, there we go. Whew, I didn't have it showing. I was about to poop in my pants.
Yeah, my trade wouldn't work at all. At first, too, it said off quotes for a second.
Well, I'm already up 2-3 pips on EJ.
I just wish you could have bigger wick though for the hourly, because Vic is gonna pull back right now.
EJ.
Yeah.
Wow, why are EJ spreads so beautiful?
I should have fucking waited a second. God damn it.
Yeah, it's gonna pull back right now for Vic.
Fuck, I got in too early.
That's the bottom wick here. Speech needs a tight stop loss. What's GJ doing? GJ's getting sent.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Yep.
How are you, man?
Very good. How about yourself?
Very good, thank you.
Are you guys in already?
Yep, I'm in EJ.
Sometimes I imagine in my head like a rocket ship kind of that just shoots up like 1,000 pips. I'm like,
Yeah, we'll
One
catch one
day
of those
wa-
1 minute 800 candles. That'd be lovely.
yeah, I'm waiting for the one day when I'm in a trade, and then it just shoots up my direction, 800 pips.
That'd be so cool.
I have dreams about the candle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Except
I think
we'll
EJ
still
should
take
play
10
out.
pips.
We caught some monsters last week. With 100 pips.
As it broke the previous 4-hour high now too, so I think it should keep going up. I just hope it doesn't need to come wick down into here and then go back up. That'd be the only issue. But we should we should respect this high or low here and then continue up and stay
I
above.
went in on GJ based on the 5 minute, like it did like a break and retest. Smaller time frame, but whatever.
I think GJ is a good buy right now.
Yeah, I just need 10 pips and I'm good.
Any runners you leaving or?
No, I'm just gonna take 10. Cause I got 2 orders. I got one for 10 pips and one for 20. After that, I'm good.
Anyone know how to put a trailing stop loss on Meta? Because I can't do it from the phone.
Yeah, you
Trailing
gotta do
stop
trailing
loss.
stops from the desktop.
Yeah, I thought so. I haven't entered in yet on EJ. I'm just waiting for.
What up, Evan?
Yeah, I got a rough entry. I got all the way at the top of that wick.
Yeah, I got in at 762, 764.
You did way fucking better than I did, dude. I got 77 and 78.
762. That's pretty good.
Got in on 45, 45.3.
Huh?
40. Oh, damn, that was a while ago.
I got in from yesterday at 117.
Spreads are at like 1 though. That's really nice.
Yeah, thank God the spreads are down. And it's pulling back.
Man, silver is such a good buy. Silver.
We got above there. So I think we should definitely continue. It's just going to depend on how big of a wick down this makes. Because it could want to come down to here. But does the wick stop here? Or does it wick past a little bit? That could be the issue. But we'll see. I'm hoping it's going to hold above here. Because that's the last anything. I mean, maybe this wick, but bullish wicks don't worry me when I'm looking for buys. So I'm hoping we can hold here. This will kind of be the bottom wick somewhere in here, and then we'll come back up. Hourly's just got to find some support.
What the hell?
Previous 4-hour highs right here, and we just broke above it. But I think the hourly's just trying to find support.
GJ pulling back too. Gold buys here on the 15-minute maybe. It's probably too risky actually. These candles are huge.
1, 4.
Keep mounting.
Good morning, Ash.
How's everyone doing? What's
Not
up,
too
man?
bad.
Savage. I've just woken up feeling fresh as a daisy, not hungover, fucking living the dream. I had one too many beers during the day though. Whoa. Yesterday was a struggle. What trade are you guys looking at? What's on the agenda?
The one we're in on the screen.
You're trading EJ. It's different.
Yep, different. I like the spread better than GJ.
Yeah. Wow, I'm just looking at spreads now. Jeez Louise.
Yeah, everything's moving real fast now.
Man. Sheesh.
I didn't trade yesterday because of the spreads. Please
Same.
not today again.
If you traded in the afternoon, the spreads were fine. Like just
Yeah,
trade
but
like
there's
London.
just no
Like,
volatility. I just don't want to be in a
what,
stuck
are you
in a
mad?
position.
Are you mad? I'm sorry. There's no volume in the market at the moment. Are you pissed?
Not now.
Huh?
I'm talking
Yeah,
about
like-
in the afternoon Asian session.
It seems to be
12
moving
o'clock.
okay at the moment.
Stopped out here. Not. I
Yeah,
don't
it's getting
take the
close.
trade, but
I'm looking at a potential gold short at the moment, but we'll see. I don't know. Everything's looking a bit trash.
Oh yeah, GA's had really, really high spreads lately, so I've just been staying away from it because of that.
Did you get stopped out yet?
Not yet. It's looking like it might though.
Damn, man.
It didn't break below the 15.
Did on MT4, but I don't know how I didn't get stopped yet.
good.
Mine didn't break it on the 15 on MT4.
We have the same broker. It should have broke. Look at your phone.
I'm looking at it on my computer right now. Oh yeah,
Alright.
my stop's a little bit below. That's why.
Yes, I was about to say same. I'm like a hip and a half below.
Yeah, I just put it a little bit below because of the spread.
Ah, damn, that sucks really bad.
Fuck.
So it's just,
I
I'm
haven't
thinking
seen
it's
my
just the
spreads
bottom
move this fast.
wick of
Forever.
the hourly, and then we'll head back up. We just got in too early before the hourly had the bottom
Just got
wick.
stopped out.
Yeah.
Hey, Paul.
I
What?
feel like it touched that area like on the 1
Oh,
hour
sorry.
that I was talking about, and then
What?
like,
Hold on,
pulled
one
back
person at
over
a
it.
time. What? Jesus Christ.
No, not me. No.
No,
My story's not the sewer drain. It's just general life stuff.
Yeah, no. What do you just want to know about this trade? What were you saying?
Me?
No, the person talking about the
Yeah.
trade.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no, that was me. No, I
Yeah.
was just saying like, but we're in two different trades. I was trading GJ, but I was saying like, looks like it hit that 1 hour spot resistance and started like pulling back.
Well, I mean, I don't see any 1 hour resistance on on EJ. I think we just need to find a support to go up, which is probably going to be right here, which will probably take me out first and then go up. But then we just
Hopefully not.
get in with a better entry.
Exactly.
Because it should have rejected off of here. We shouldn't have broke above. And then we just got in before the hourly had a big enough bottom wick. So, just kind of, it happens. But yeah, it didn't hit me yet.
One more, let's go.
Oh, here he is. Who's lured him back in? Your boy.
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
How'd that date go?
Oh, do you want to know the full story or like the PG version?
Just the PG version. Names out.
Okay, cool. Yeah, man, it was wicked. Like, she wasn't a spy for a start, which was always a plus.
Russian spy.
Yeah, she was Russian, man. Yeah. Nah, she was super sound, and she specializes in like LinkedIn and like social media, like profiles and shit. So she's gonna help me out and make my profile look all super sexy and shit. And
Just
yeah,
lock up all your stuff in the safe. Make sure if she comes to the crib.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. But anyway, kind of say, oh, should we get like a couple, just 2 beers? Because she had work and stuff. I said, look, we'll have 2 beers. You go home, you go back to work. Like, happy days. So I let her pick the beers, but she, lo and behold, picked like, we don't even realize this. She picks like the strongest beers in the bar, for like 8% beers. And bear in mind, like, all I've had is like a huge pot of tea and some avocado on toast. So I have these two beers, and I just said, bloody hell, my head's all over the shop here. Look at the beer bottles, and I'm like, oh my god, they're 8% beers. But yeah, we're flowing real good.
Yeah, GJ even closed. GJ closed above here too, so GJ might just push up.
But yeah, it went great. Yeah, the trade went pretty good. I mean,
Are you gonna see her again or what?
am I going to see her again? Absolutely.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah, definitely.
Does
try and go.
she live down there, or does she is she just in town for a minute?
She's like kind of like doing what I do, like just slow and traveling. So, yeah, man, easier as it gets, mate.
Yeah.
So she was
Got a
like,
companion, a travel partner.
yeah. At one point, she was like, she came over to like show me stuff on her phone, but she was like leaning all on me and like being like, I'm like, yeah, like, whew, this is a bit intense for like midday.
Alright, so we got a chart to look at. This is at...
Oh, for real?
Yeah, people are not happy about... They want to learn how to trade. They don't want to hear about you getting drunk.
Oh, that wasn't the intention. I only went for 2 beers. It was just turned out to be really strong.
Yep.
No, but like, how many people send charts nowadays? That's like, no, that's what I'm saying. It's a good thing.
Yeah, no, we got some people sending them finally.
Yeah.
But...
I'm fluffing it out.
Yep, yeah, you've been doing it a lot lately, so I can understand why the person made the comment they did.
Oh, don't put that in the comment. Oh, I apologize.
Yep, no, yeah, I didn't say it because, I mean, you have been talking about, that's all you've been talking about. I think you should definitely talk about more charts and trades instead of just saying, oh, I won 80 pips on a gold buy. Maybe say, gold's doing this, I'm going to look to do this here, and then actually say it before it happens, you know?
Okay, well, what I'll do then, if I'm going to enter a trade, I'll throw in a chart on the thing. It just look a bit trash, but it's on my iPad.
Yep, because yeah, some people are here to actually learn. Some people are just here to hang out, but they already know how to trade. So those other people. But I think GJ definitely. Yeah, I think GJ could hold here and just go up. To be fair. We're on GJ. Yep. Yeah. I mean, if we look at the 15-minute, like I said, might have just been a little early of an entry. But.
Did that current 15-minute break the previous 15 on your MT4?
I'm on EJ. Or I'm on EJ, so I don't know what GJ did. And since I'm still in it, I'll switch over after. But this 5 minutes about to close bullish on EJ.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
So maybe it is finding that support right there.
I just don't like how it was a small bullish.
Yeah, it was really weak. It definitely is not any good confirmation to enter a trade. But maybe I mean, maybe this is where we're going to kind of die down on GJ and start to rise up, which maybe EJ would then do the same as well. Because I think if a 5 minute can make a new high to a previous, it's going to have a better chance of the higher time frame doing the same. But now it just kind of dumped down, so. We'll
5
see.
minute and EG close small bullish.
Yeah, yeah. Granted, just 5 minute, but we'll see. It's still sitting right at stop loss, so unless it rifles up, gets above here again, or even above here.
Would you look to close half your position, Paul? If it does rocket halfway towards your break even?
Yeah, I'd probably close one of them, but I'm not gonna start to close it as it starts to go back in my direction.
Sure.
But it just broke the low of the previous 5, so it's probably gonna go hit stop. To be fair. But then we'll just have more upside. Pull out game week. Yep, understood,
This
Rick.
chat, I
Got
swear,
it.
is the funniest. What are you doing, AJ?
So if this 15 minute kind of closes like this, maybe a little higher, and you didn't get in yet, a good entry would be when it breaks the high of that 15 minute. That would be, if it comes down, stops me out, and then kind of just sits right at where it stopped me out, and then the next one breaks above, that'll be my re-entry right there.
Where was your stop at, Paul?
It's like right here.
1 second.
It's like sitting, if you look on the 5 minute, it's
Okay,
just
I see.
below all those wicks. And we're up. Great.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
You know how many times I tried to like adjust your chart on the YouTube screen? Like it's mine.
Oh,
I do that all the time.
I have different colored candles. I'd like to change mine up a little bit, but sometimes it messes with my head.
Oh, mine are different colors. I'm just retarded.
so I'm thinking we're gonna get a support somewhere in here, and then get a candle to make a new high. And then that'll be better because then we'll have clean traffic up to here. This will flip the hourly and get the wick, and then we'll come up to here. So now we got more room to go up. That was unfortunate.
I wonder if it's going to drop below the previous 30 minute. Hopefully it doesn't. Just
Oh yeah, it's getting close. Yeah, that would not be good for buyers. I could start to range, but I'm not gonna plan on it ranging when I'm trying to take it up.
That's a question I wanted to ask Paul. How do you establish when something's ranging? What's
Okay.
your biggest sign?
If it's not respecting highs and lows, then it's ranging.
Yeah, okay.
So like this one did break the high, but it wasn't hourly open, so we definitely should have waited for the bottom wick to be created more.
Right.
But the probability was there. We had clean traffic. We were above everything. So
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of 50-50 right now on GJ.
Man, I fucking called that shit too, dude.
Yeah, Pablo, send if you send a chart, I can send it, but you can't send the link.
Who are you talking to me?
Are you Pablo?
Oh no.
Oh.
That was easy, right? That was easy. I'm just looking at your chat. But I didn't have it pull up, and I'm just looking at what Frankie Boy said when he was talking about Ash's story. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, 1000%.
No, I've not looked. Wait, bear with me. But am I going? Oh, one sec.
I didn't have it pull up. I was like, let me see what these people said in the comments. I just happened to see it.
Nah, I don't kiss and tell, man. But yeah, it's alright. It's good. Yeah. But anyway, I'm just doing a chart. That's why I'm being so quiet at the moment. So, and we can all be at peace. We can all live at one in harmony.
Yep, I'll pull it up in a second, Igor. Yeah, volume seems a lot better today. Spreads are much better. What is GJ's spread at right now? Oh yeah, GJ's at like kind of a normal spread, a little bit higher than normal, but GJ's looking good. If it breaks above that, oh yeah, the spreads are at 3. EJ'd probably be better. Yeah, I think this next 15 minute is gonna break above here, and that's gonna be our trade. I think that's gonna be better. And the only reason we took this one is because it did make a new high and it broke the 4-hour high. So it kind of met all my confirms and the extra confirm of breaking the 4-hour high. So, but this is definitely going to be a better one. If it does it, I'm going to take it. If we lose it, well, then 0 for 2 for the day, and that will be the last one for me.
Part of the game.
Yep.
What are you looking at, Ash, here?
2 tries.
Yeah, I sent the chart through. There you go, Paul. I'm looking at GU. It's the only thing that I see that looks like potential. Everything else looks a bit trash.
Well, you know how I feel about GU right now, but I will pull it up because you sent it.
I know. But
What are you
from
looking
what
at?
I can see,
Explain.
this is the.
What's
Okay,
up?
so I'll just put the 2 blue lines, and then it just in a bit small range at the moment. So I'm just waiting for a close. So for me, I'm more inclined for shorts. So it's just formed on my MT4 on the 30-minute, like 2 dojis in a row. It's about to form a third. So if it closes kind of below considerably to the previous doji, I'll be more inclined to take shorts. If it closes above there, more inclined to take longs. But ideally, I want to be taking shorts because that's the trend.
Yeah, those charts you guys sent are not working, and I don't know where you sent your chart. Oh, here. I'm gonna pull that. See if I can pull that up real quick.
You said mine's not working.
No, yours will be fine.
Okay.
It should be. Yeah. So you wanna close above here to long, close above here to short. 30 minute. Okay. I mean, yeah. I mean, I don't like GU during this time, but it's been working out fine lately. It seems.
Yeah.
And you don't like that. And you don't like that thick yellow line going through his candles.
Oh no, that's fine. He can do zones how he wants. There's no rule on zones. I just don't like. Neither the pound or the dollar is in session right now. So that's the only thing I say. But he does win on it almost every time. So all right. So yeah, if we break above here, I think we're gonna be heading up. Yep.
I should press that like button. Give us some good luck for the next trade.
We don't need luck, just probabilities. Wish I could zoom my MT4 in more though. That would be so much nicer.
Yeah, I be hating that too, man. I know what you mean.
What's GJ spread? 3? Yeah, I'm gonna stick with EJ. So yeah, but if this one happens, if it gets above here on MT4, that will be the one I take.
Just to the top of that week.
Yep, once it gets above here, that's where I'm gonna take it. Because then we'll be starting to get higher highs again, which will be with our bullish candles. So then I would anticipate the hourly to flip. But if it doesn't make a higher high above the previous, then it's gonna keep making higher, lower highs and lower lows, and then come down. But I have a feeling it is going to break that high.
I got a feeling.
Yep.
That tonight's gonna be a good night.
That tonight's gonna be a good night.
You guys are wild.
What's up, Ishmael? Damn, I'm about to say Dow drop again. Let me take a look at what you're talking about.
If I go to the 5 minute, I can actually get in. I can zoom in more.
Yeah, it dropped like 10% today.
Oh boy, these people been taking L's all day.
Yep, it's pretty bad.
I kind of want to get in on the downtrend.
They changed the leverage on like the US 30 and stuff like that from 50 to 1 to 10 to 1, which you can still make money, don't get me wrong, but it's just not as much.
The only problem with the Dow is I just can't ever find an opportunity to short.
I found an opportunity to, well, not the Dow, but the S&P. I got in that one because it followed the same trend.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm to be honest, I'm expecting Dow probably 8K, 8.5.
I know you said that last time. I think somebody said 18. I was watching somebody's stream. And they were
Nah,
talking
8K.
I don't know, man. 8K is kind of, that's down there. That's like back in the day when people used to pick cotton.
I don't know. I just feel like this recession is, I don't know. We won't talk about it again.
I don't know. I think it'll be alright though.
Hopefully.
We'll just have to wait and see. I mean, nothing ever like this has ever happened before, so.
Yeah, but I think they're about to quarantine everybody. So once that happens, I think things will start getting a little bit better. Well, at least for us. I mean, other countries got their own problems, I guess.
What do you mean, Hayden? Which one tapped into? You mean this 15 tapped into this resistance soon to hopefully be support area, I'm assuming?
And I got silver to 60, 65 an ounce as a long-term prediction. And if it breaks this lower week,
I wonder where Sir went.
No. Fucking clicking off EJ. Things gone.
Sir is right here. Sir didn't go anywhere.
How was your Call of Duty session?
I just should keep fucking calling me. She knows I'm working.
If we get to 8k, you should start loading up on ammo and boarding up your windows. I think it'll get to that, but obviously you don't want to say that.
I don't think we're gonna get that low. That's crazy.
I don't know, man. I just
No, like once all this plays out, it'll get better, but it's gonna take a while.
You
GJ
think so?
coming down? Yeah.
Because the economy is the same. All right, well, the economy is not the same, obviously, but before this happened, the economy was fine, right? So
I don't think so though. That's the problem. People are told that it's fine. It's just
the stock market was making all-time highs every day. Unemployment is at record lows. I mean, I don't know how you can say the economy was bad. What was bad
but
about
it's
it?
not at a record low. That's what I'm trying to say. If you actually look at the, I would link it. I'll link it now.
Huh?
He said he's gonna link it, so.
Yeah, I'll link it right now. There's two types of unemployment rates. They give you the unemployment rate, people that aren't employed, and then you have the, I think, active unemployment rate, with people looking for jobs who are unemployed as well.
The metric that everybody uses to determine the unemployment rate, the standard metric, is at an all-time low. I mean, you can sit here and say it different ways, but it's still the same. The number that matters, the number that everybody points to, is at all-time lows. There's no debating that.
I think we could debate it.
Man, I'm not telling you.
Okay, well send me the chart then.
I will.
You guys are getting intense.
Because it doesn't make
What?
sense. He's just saying stuff. Like it doesn't even.
Well, at least it's not me this time.
Yeah, right.
No, all
Yeah.
I'm saying is I reckon that the US is just getting buried by debt at the moment, and it is just to the point now where it's.
The U.S. has been buried by debt. That's nothing new.
Yep, so Mary, it's buys until, I'm looking at buys until we get below here.
That's gonna be a long time.
Well, it's my rule, so.
No. It's a good rule. I'm just saying, based off what I see, it's gonna be a while for it to drop down that low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still think this could close above here, and then the next one break above here, and then we go up. To be honest, let me look how it's kind of pulling back now. Granted, it broke the 30-minute low, but the hourly's still respected. And this was a massive hourly candle, so it kind of just pulled back into maybe this area, or it's bouncing off of here. Whatever it's going to bounce off of, I do think we're still going to go up. If this closes bearish, the next hourly gets below that candle, then yeah, probably better chance to come down, but still bullish. Or if this candle comes down and breaks below here, then probably going to be looking more downside, but gonna see what happens. I think this could definitely close above here, maybe even up here more, kind of weak. Next one will break above, and then hourly will flip and close above and go up, and then see what happens. What's up, Salmon? I think some people took a GJ buy, yeah.
I'm in GJ short, so I'm about to send a chart.
Yeah, I'm on GJ. I'm waiting for GJ to go down.
I'll send you a chart just in a second, bro. 1 sec.
You send it.
Yeah, I'm just saying that just in a sec.
What's up? Oh, you're selling it? Pips? Paladin, you're selling that?
And there's my GJ trade.
Yep. Just wait for that high to be created. If it doesn't create a high, it's probably not going up. So that's why we wait for it.
Let me see that chart.
Yeah, I'm waiting on GJ to show me something bullish and I'll get back in.
Yep.
And it's kind of like halfway at the body of that previous 1 hour candle. Oh, you're looking at EJ. Oh, never mind.
This is Ashley's in GJ cells right now. Okay, I mean, yeah, I just think it's more bullish than bearish, but it hasn't shown much bullish yet. So
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
going off the major trend at the moment, so it could be changing now. But even if it does, I'm anticipating it'll go back to retest before it shoots back up. So that's where the first profit target is.
I'm not gonna. It looks like today your YouTube is lagging way behind the actual Zoom. You just like a couple seconds, and now it's like way behind.
Maybe the YouTube servers are slow because of Corona.
yeah, even the
I mean,
Discord group,
Discord's acting
turned
up.
down.
Yeah, usually I'll have the YouTube up, but like do the Zoom on my phone. But sometimes it throws me off. And I'm like, all right, we're talking about this, and I look on the screen, and like YouTube is still way behind.
Yeah, I gotta play with the settings still. I always forget because I talk about it in the beginning of the stream, and then 2 hours later when the stream's done, I forgot, and then I remember after I start the stream. I'm like, oh shit! But then I can't change it till I end it again. Yeah, if this thing comes up, closes above here, the next one gets above there, I think it's gonna be a nice little rocket ship maybe. And then we should get a nice stop, because if this closes above here, we should get a little wick that comes down, and then to break above there, we'll say we got an entry here, we'll say it closes here, be generous, we'll say we get a wick down to here, yeah, like a 10 pip stop. Spread's under a pip for me. So yeah, this could play out real nice. So now we're closing above, we got, yep, okay, I think this is gonna be good. Come on, don't flip yet. Wait 10 seconds.
It's like, oh, 10 seconds? All right.
Yeah, wait, just wait 3 seconds. Come on.
Are you looking at buys above that candle there?
Yep, stop loss below the wick of this candle that forms.
Not that long wick fish? The long wick?
No. But if it doesn't go up, it'll just wick fill and come down. Yeah, tissue companies where you should be buying your stocks.
Nobody should be buying stocks.
Alright, last attempt. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on.
That was 10 pips already.
I mean, I got up to 3. But if this one doesn't play out, I think we're gonna end up ranging if this one doesn't play out.
No, I think this one's gonna go.
Yeah.
All I'm allowed to say.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. I think it's the same trade we always take. So if it doesn't play out, then it was just one of those days, unfortunately. Yeah, it'd be real shitty if it comes down deeper than the wick, comes down to here, and then goes up. Because that's not where my stop is at.
Have you looked on the 5 minute?
Yep. Yeah, I've been watching it. My stop on the 5 minutes, like right here. Yeah, because I went into the 5 minute so I could zoom in closer. And 5 minute wicked above everything to the left. So I think it's just a matter of getting there now. But I think this hourly should close really weak bearish or even flip bullish. Excuse me. Did you take this one too, Cats?
Yeah, I took 10 pips already.
Damn, where the hell did you enter?
5 minute entry.
Oh. Yeah, I played on the 5 minute one time. Didn't work out, so I was like, nope. 15 minute, that's as low as we go. It just got to kind of get past this little 5 minute area it's at. And then I think we should be good.
Yeah, I'm not proud of my entry, but it worked.
Yeah, it played out. I mean, the 5 minute looks good. It just, with everything else being so bearish, maybe, I mean, a little worrisome. What's the program I'm using? I don't know what you mean. I'm trading with MT4, but don't have any program.
I think he means trading view. We have on the screen.
It's FXCM, so just, I don't know, trading view, I guess, is the answer. Oh, wow. Literally right there. Didn't even go up on the 5 minute at all. Yep, yeah, TradingView, I mean, that's the website I'm using. It's not a program. So I'm a little confused.
I don't think that was it for EJ.
You don't think what was it?
The move down.
That one little push up.
You don't think that wasn't the up move?
I think it's gonna keep coming down. EJ.
Yeah, we'll see. So I mean, I'd take this trade 100 times in a row every time. So.
No, EJ, not GJ.
I'm on EJ.
Oh, you took EJ?
Yeah, I'm in it.
I thought you took GJ. I'm sorry.
No.
Oops.
What's on the screen, bro? Open your eyes.
I'm not looking at the YouTube. I never watch YouTube.
Oh, it's on the Zoom screen, too.
I got that minimized, too. I got shit up.
Yeah,
to be honest.
It's right there. The spread. It tapped it, but the spread hasn't pushed it yet. Probably will, though. Wonder if the yen's going to be stronger because of all the shit that's going on. So maybe Asian session's just going to come down every time with the yen.
No, I might just be playing games because GJ literally 15-minute close bullish and start pulling back. So hopefully he's done doing that whole like playing around. And
it's coming into open, so maybe that could be why too. So we'll see. As I know, it does normally typically pull back right before open. So.
خير عمي كيف الأمور؟ تمام الحمد لله. Just good. Having a look at.
Man, I'm pretty confident this is about to go up, but I hate when it doesn't just like take off when you enter.
Yeah, it normally does with these entries that I take. With
takes off?
With the new highs or new lows, yeah. Normally when it breaks it does take off pretty quick. It doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't make the high and then come all the way back, and make that low.
My thing is lately, like you'll get an entry, and then it will just like come all the way back up, like come real close to your stop loss, then go down.
Yeah.
Like lately it's been like that where before like I enter on like a 15-minute like flip of the candle, and next candle is just like a good 10-15 pip candle. I'm like, all right, good.
Yep.
Move the break even and just let it run. Now it's like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Every entry I've taken, like these last couple of weeks, it's like I enter and I gotta sit there and wait for it to play around and then go.
Yeah, it might have been the opposite except for the last like couple days. With everything going on, it's normally when I enter, like especially New York session, like I get in, boom, I'm up like 5-10 pips right away, already break even within the first 5 minutes. So hopefully everything that's going on doesn't mess up what I do. I don't think it should. Yeah, we'll see. It gave me my confirmation again, so I took it. Normally by the end of the week everything plays out, so. If this 5 minute can go break the previous 5 minute, that would be really good.
5 minutes to the hour, I'm cutting mine.
You're what?
I cut my runner because it's 5 minutes to the hour.
Mm-hmm.
Norman, you'll have to have a look at what brokers give you the best for the USA 30, but some brokers don't give you indices, so you just have to be careful. The one I'm using is IC Markets. They do okay.
Yeah, I like LMFX. They're pretty good. I mean, my EJ spread is like half a pip. It's a little jumpy right now, but it's sitting at about half a pip.
To the person I was talking to before, I posted some links in the chat. The Zoom one.
Oh my god.
Oh, man. Looking like it could be one of those fucking sessions.
Could be, eh?
Yeah. And we're out. Great. Well, I'm done. That was
Done for
fun.
the day.
That was fun. Yep, even this, if this closes bullish, I don't care. I'm done. I'm gonna take a buy right there. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't play out. Maybe too tight of a stop, but I've only seen it break a high and come all the way back once before this, so I'm gonna just run with that.
Huh. Okay, AG, I got on your first chart here your labor force participation rate.
Mhm.
Okay, let's look at the financial crisis of 2008, October 2008.
Which it was lower than?
It was higher then than it is now. So explain that to me.
There were more people working in 2008.
There were more people working during the financial crisis.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Not even.
What is this? I thought this was a trading channel.
Exactly.
I
But
know, my friend. I'm just showing you figures, but
I'm just
Yeah.
telling you
Are
somebody.
you guys going to talk about investing? Like Warren Buffett, Ben Graham? What's going on here?
I'm just apparently America's gonna crash and the American economy is shit.
not apparently.
Look
it's
at
just-
this little bitch. You
Look at
little
it.
fucking
Oh, my
shit.
word.
So stops were clearly too tight, cause wow.
I'm still in it. I'm like I was like a pip away from a stop loss.
Wow.
See, that's what that's exactly what I was talking about, Paul. Like, if you look at EJ on the 5 minute, like that bullish candle on the 5 minute, that should have been it. But like now it comes down, comes close to your entry or like your stop. Now it takes off. Where normally it's like you just said, it's supposed to take off right away. You know.
Yep.
So it's just been like that
Yep.
all week.
Oh, I've noticed. That's annoying.
Yeah, and that's why lately, like even I re-entered on the GJ trade, but I moved my stop a little bit deep. I'm not even gonna lie. I already know it's gonna come back to my entry before it does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. That's fucking annoying. This bullshit needs to be over with so we can get back to normal.
1000%, man. 1000%.
Alright, so
Like,
I'm gonna move this up here so I
usually-
can see that I lost.
Yeah.
Well, that was a day, I guess. 316. Good day to start the week, I guess.
But they could still be playing around because the higher time frames.
Yeah, that would have been 10 for me right there, though.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so I'd have been break even right now.
Yeah, I'm on GJ and nowhere close to 10. I'm like up 2 pips on one trade, and that's really it. And now it's back to playing games.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. If it makes highs and lows and doesn't respect it, it's just gonna range. So we gave it 2 attempts and made a high, made another high. If it comes down and makes a low, I would bet money it's gonna move sideways. So I am done for the night. That's kind of annoying. Last week was so good.
Definitely annoying.
Yeah, last week was so good.
Yeah, I meant to ask you. 'Cause I know you probably went over this, but I came in late, I guess. What is this that you're using when you store your trades? Like the
Trello.
Trello?
Yep. So it's just like a free, like a business website for like meeting boards and like I don't even know how to say it, but you can just journal all your shit here.
Yeah.
You just gotta kind of customize it a little bit. But it's super convenient. Like I can see everything from last week, the week before. So like, it's just super.
It's actually a collaborative workspace.
Yeah, it's super nice. Yeah, if I go look at all these losses, I'd say 99% of them, if it makes a lower high and I lose it, it ranged afterwards.
But it's much better for journaling than your like journal apps.
Yeah, than like a notebook or anything like that, because it's such like I'm a visual person, so this is like, and I hate reading, so I get a picture, I get a color, and I gotta read 4 words. Like I can manage that.
I hope you guys took profits here, at least 10 pips.
I took stop loss.
Yeah,
That was fun.
unfortunately same. But that's what the stop's good for.
Yeah.
Log your account.
Like I said, I take that trade 100 times. So
Doesn't matter.
it's a perfect trade for me. EJ, what did we do? We were buying, okay. And then
I think.
entry a new high. We'll say maybe.
Only problem with GJ is the previous 4 hours bullish, so just be careful. Whoever's taking sales on it.
I've just entered GU on a sell stop, so I'm in the trade now for GU.
Man, what is GJ doing?
Trading today, no good.
Yeah, I don't know why this one stops might have been too tight, but it never, once it breaks the high, it never returns to the low it made, and then makes a lower low. Because that 5 minute, yeah, this thing's going sideways. So like this one, this was the low right here on EJ. It was right here, and then my stop was like, I put it right here, and then it came lower than there, and this one came lower. Normally when it gets above, it does not do that. But yeah, this is going to be crap till London. We tried. But here, if we just take a look, this is the same trade right here. Took an entry at the high and we went up. So same exact trade. Can look here. New high, once it made a new high, took off again. So this could just all be, might just have to drop the risk on with all this nonsense going on till everything's back to normal. Because it could definitely make everything super messy. Yep, yeah, that's a free website too. So you just sign up with your email, your name, and you can buy like a premium version, but what you saw that I had is free. So you don't have to pay for anything. Don't be too upset. Who's upset? I don't know if that's to me or not, but I'm not upset. I wish it would have played out, obviously. Everyone wants to win their fucking trade. But part of the game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's my journal. I don't give out the link to it. I keep it private. But I mean, I just showed you the journal, so. I mean, you're not. If you could come in here and look at it on your own, you're not really getting any extra benefit. Because 60% of these are called on the live stream. So if you really want to see these, just go watch the previous live streams.
You don't hear.
I have
you
no
don't
idea,
them on the
NFS.
Zooms
I have
or the
no
other
idea.
sessions.
Yvonne, YouTube won't let you put a link. So no, you cannot. It won't let you. I don't even know if it lets me put in a link. Okay, I mean, let me see if I can put an actual link. I mean, kinda, but it doesn't actually make it a link.
I have no idea what's going on right now.
No, I mean, the people in the private group, they don't have a link to it either. But I do send every single one of those charts to the group when I take it, so technically they kind of do, but it's not grouped together like that.
So I'm just looking at GU now. I know you say don't trade it, but I'm just trading what I see. It's the only thing I can see right now. And if it closes below this little range that is formed, for me it looks sweet to go down to 1.22344. Yeah, I'll go with 4, just to be safe.
Gotcha.
Easy.
Nope, no gold for me. Let me take a glance at it.
I'm in profit on GJ too.
I mean, price looks like it's kind of trending up, but it doesn't look super pretty. Kind of a mess. I think you'd have a better trade maybe like below here down to this area, or best trade's probably down here or up here. But like I said, I don't trade gold, so maybe the good entry's here to go here or something. GJ dick around too? Oh, it's coming down. Yeah, so it kind of formed a resistance up here.
Someone said SPY's dropping again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep, see you later, Nick.
Sorry if you boys can hear that.
Hear what? I didn't hear anything.
Hunt is brilliant above me. I don't know why.
Yeah. So if this is gonna come down on GJ, I broke the 30. I break the hourly? No. Yeah, GJ could still go up. It could just take a while, probably till London volume. Because, yeah, it should have. This one tapped up into here. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I have a feeling Asian session is going to be some sideways movement. TJ.
I think that's it for me, fellas. I'll see you boys hopefully tomorrow morning.
Yep, I mean, New York session, it is. Yeah. No, he normally jumps on the YouTube and just watches it sometimes, but, I mean, I don't know what he does. Yeah, so see, maybe if we had a stop down here, but then that's way too big of a stop because we're entering here. I mean, 15, yeah, but yeah, that's just hourly still closed above here too. That's unfortunate.
Wow. See what I mean? As soon as I close the trade on GJ, like it comes back in the range. Like, yeah.
You were in buys, right?
Yeah, I was in buys, but like.
Yeah, it's not respecting anything. So like when it made, did it make a high above that previous bullish one? Did this candle get above this one on MT4?
Yeah, I was looking at the 5 minute, but I mean,
yeah, that should have went up.
Even that 15-minute close, like bullish, should have been the one to push up.
Yeah, I mean, once this closed bullish, and this one got above the previous, which it did, it shouldn't have made a low like this. So.
Yeah. Now it's literally pushing back into that range, which is like another sign of it going up. But I don't know.
Yeah.
I
think it's best to just leave it alone for the day.
Exactly.
Because yeah, it's not respecting highs or lows, so you know what's gonna happen. That's unfortunate. I thought today was gonna be a good day.
Fuck this shit.
Today is a good day. Ashley, your GU trade looks like it's gonna pay.
One more time.
It looks like your GU trade will pay.
Oh yeah, no doubt, mate. GU's giving me absolutely beautiful steps at the moment. Absolutely stunning steps. Like, yeah, I'm really enjoying it at the moment. I didn't like it before, but recently it's just been golden. I'm playing with dogs in the street.
Yep.
So is that an FTMO trade for you, Ashley?
One more time.
Are you trading on FTMO right now?
Yeah, so I've completed everything. I'm just waiting for the contract to come through. So I emailed them yesterday, but because of the whole virus thing, they're like all operating from home. So I'm just waiting for them to send that. So that can take up to 2 to 5 days. But they've emailed me saying it's coming through. They're just reviewing whatever they've got to review. So hopefully I should have that before the end of the week and then have the account set up. So fingers crossed by Monday next week I'll be trading again live. So at the moment I'm still using like a 100k account on a demo just to get comfortable with like lot sizing and everything like that. So yeah, I'm still trading as if it was still real.
But there's no emotion.
What are you trading on now? Are you trading on FTMO demo or FTMO live? Or your own account?
Oh, sorry. Did I just like lag out there?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know where I got to. Where did you last trade up to?
What are you trading on now? Your own account, a demo account, or FTMO Live?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the contract hasn't been sent yet, so I'm just waiting for that to come through, and that should be hopefully with me by the end of this week. I should be trading their live account by, fingers crossed, Monday.
No, but what are you
So
trading?
currently I'm
What are you trading right now? Right this second.
Yeah, I'm getting to that. I'm getting to that.
Oh
So I'm
my
just
gosh.
trading on a demo account with 100k, so I can still get comfortable with the same kind of lot sizing and everything.
But how do you get comfortable with real money to demo though? Because there's no emotions in that.
Because all my money at the moment is keeping me afloat here in Vietnam.
Oh no, I'm not saying that. You can do whatever you want with your money. I'm just saying demo doesn't.
Don't. He Ashley has plenty of emotions.
Yeah, I'm just saying demo doesn't really. For any new people, demo doesn't teach you anything for real money. Because if you lose real money that you're relying on getting, you're gonna have some emotions about that. But you won your demo challenge, your FTMO challenge, so you're fine. But I'm just saying for new people, if you're demoing to practice for the real thing, you're not learning anything. Make a small account, small real account, trade 0.01, the smallest lot size you can. That'll help you prepare for trading real money.
Honestly, the way the hours moving, I'm pretty sure it's about to come back up.
Yeah, this thing just looks like garbage. Yeah, I'd rather get stopped out than just sit through this hoping it goes up.
Yeah, and I get you, but like if you look at the hourly on GJ, that huge hourly candle still hasn't been taken out. I'm pretty sure this hour is gonna close bearish, and then the next one just shoot up.
Because you'd think it would have taken it out already.
Exactly. If it's gonna go down, they're taking it out, but they're kind of just like stalling down there.
Yeah, so it's gonna kind of.
So,
I don't think Asian's gonna do it, but it'll just kind of.
No, I'm not. I'm like pretty confident because I've done the whole like walk away thing when my bias was right, and then literally within the next hour, it's like going the right way. I'm just gonna take a look at it, see what happens.
I mean, nobody cares. Trading for respect doesn't matter. I mean, just being profitable is kind of what really matters. I mean, if you're making 10K a day but people don't respect your trading, who gives a shit what they think?
Exactly.
So I don't think people trade for respect, but if you're a good trader or a bad trader, but you're a good person, you're nice to people, I mean, you should have their respect anyways. But I think demo is good for learning how to place a stop loss, place a take profit, press buy, press sell, look at the chart in terms of like if you're entering at the break of a high, kind of just practicing executing that. Maybe a week or two, just kind of get it down. So you're not like, oh my god, how do I close a trade? You kind of know all the basics.
Yeah, it's definitely good for getting your feet wet.
Yeah, just kind of learn what it's about. But in terms of building emotions and psychology, I don't think it's going to do anything for you.
Wait, what? This guy went live on day one. Small account, but 2 to 5K. That's not a small account. That's a pretty hefty account there.
Yeah, that's a decent account you've done.
This guy got money.
The spread on this pair for me is on EJ. It's less than 1. It's at like half a pip to 1.2 pips. I'm still just kind of going. All the spreads are kind of going crazy. On GJ, my spread is, I don't know, I had GJ on the screen. GJ is between 3 and 4, and I have a 0 account, so I'm not supposed to have a spread, so that's not very good.
Damn, man. GJ.
I told you. I've been saying it for days.
It literally hit my stop and then turned around. That long wick on the last 15 took me out.
Yeah, I don't even want. I'm scared to look at EJ because watch it be all the way at take profit. Let me see. Yeah, it's going up. Yeah. So an hourly stop loss would have been good, but
Yeah, that was just too deep though, man. Like,
yeah, I might have to. I think I'm gonna at the end of the week. I'm gonna look at it and see if the hourlies and 30-minute stops are gonna be safer for with what's going on in terms of giving it a little more room to breathe.
yeah,
Just have smaller lot sizes because the risk will be the same. So I'm gonna see if those trades play out better than the 15-minute, just because of spreads are real jumpy. Everything's real kind of spikes a little bit sometimes. So we'll see if that just ends up playing better for what's going on right now.
yeah. I'm just waiting on a break. Of this, where is that? A 15-minute candle is ranging between, where is it? Like 133.93 and 132.00.
Oh, GJ. I was looking at for the 130 on here, and I was like, I don't see no 130.
No, G. Yeah, honestly, I only trade GJ, man. Like, I've ventured off, and it just never went my way.
Yeah,
Not that GJ's any better, but
yeah, I feel you. I'd like to stay with GJ for Asian because we were freaking like 3 losses in like a month almost, 4 losses maybe. But now this crap's going on, so gotta adapt. But I would prefer to stay with GJ, but not with a 4 pip spread. It's not gonna happen for me.
no, I'm sitting at 1.6. Well, it's fluctuating like 1.6, like 2.5.
For you?
Yeah.
What the heck? Do you have a 0 account?
No, I got a Trader's Way.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to have a spread, and mine's at 4. 3.5, 4. Yeah, that's some crap. Aussie news in 5 minutes, okay. Yeah, I saw that. I'd really like to get back to GA because GA was freaking beautiful, but I think that one's got like a 5 spread for me.
Jesus.
Yeah. It normally has like 1.5 to like 1.8 in Asian session, and that's okay. New York session's about 1, but even in New York session now, it's still 2 to 3 pips.
Yeah. Honestly, I haven't traded in New York in a long time though. Like, I decided to delete MT4 off my phone because I'd take a peek and like, oh, it's a good trade. Not be able to monitor it and just like lose.
So is the 15 minutes still kind of, yeah, man. Oh, it's so crappy.
man.
10%
You know,
during
as in
Asian
your,
sessions. Whoa, that's a good Asian session. You make 10%. First time here? Yeah, probably. Definitely a good learning day if it's your first time here. That's for sure. Yeah, 500 is a good account to start with for sure. I mean, just starting an account is good. You gotta learn with something, whether you learn with 10K, 150, 50 bucks, 20 bucks. Gotta learn it somehow.
Exactly.
Yeah. Wish I would have known all this before I started, or at least listened. Yeah, I'm done trading for. I took my two trades, my two chances I get, so I can't take any more till New York session.
Oh, you don't trade London?
No, I can't trade all three. I'd go insane. I tried it and I never slept.
It was epic when you were though.
What's up?
You just kept going. When you were doing all three sessions,
Yeah.
it was just like. Next time I saw you, I'd be like, "So how did the last session go?" Oh, it fine. Like, how much sleep did you get? Oh, maybe like 2 hours. I'm like, "Oh, great."
Yep, and then time for the gym, and then next session. Yeah, it was definitely better now at trading. Only 2 sessions with very strict rules.
Man's got to know his limitation.
What?
Clint Eastwood quote. Man's got to know his limitations.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Because after I get after that
from
second
the movie Gran Torino.
Oh. I say after like my second trade or a third trade or a fourth trade, like there's not even analysis. It's just buy, sell, buy, sell. So I figured I can get two good quality trades. After that, probably best to just hang out.
All right, boys. I'm about to play some PUBG.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it soon because I don't think these are gonna do anything till London, and nobody should be trying to trade this.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out too.
Alright.
Thanks, Paul.
Yeah.
You a G.
Sometimes.
Oh, no. You always a G.
Yeah. Gotta lose once in a while.
Once a G, always a G.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Paul Michael G. Widener.
Nope, not the middle name. There's no G.
Paul G. Widener. There we go.
I don't know.
Alright, see ya.
See you later. I'll give this a few more minutes. See you later, Steven. Be back tomorrow. Hopefully a better day. Hopefully it doesn't rain when we try to take a trade.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on this next hour to do something. If not, then I'm out of here.
Yeah, I don't like to trade into the last 30 minutes or last 15 minutes, or first 15 minutes of a 4-hour, just because of like the retracement to make a wick. Whether it be the end of the 4-hour wick or the beginning. I try to avoid that.
Yeah, I'm thinking one of these candles is gonna break that resistance. Probably this one, the way it's looking right now. But
it looks good, but
yeah, no. At this point, it's got to be like a perfect break. If not, I'm not even gonna take it.
Yeah. Skeeter raised his hand.
I just want to see what it does.
Do you have a question? A question, sir.
Nah, I've never done it before. I want to see what happens.
Well, you can't raise your hand in class and not have a question. What's wrong with you?
That's when you say, "Oh, I'm just stretching."
Yeah. Thanks for coming, MB. We'll have a better one tomorrow. We at least got to take a trade today, so unlike Sunday, we
Hey,
just
what
had our
time
hands
you-
in our pants.
What time you waking up for the New York session?
Same time as always.
I don't think you said you wake up like
5,
5, right, or something like that.
Yep, I get 5 to 8.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Mhm. Yeah. So I have a. This is kind of off topic, but I feel like some people that are just like, oh, we just lost 2 trades, we don't know what we're doing. But the people that know what's going on know that if you get 2 trades and you take your 2 trades and you're done, did you really lose? I mean, technically, yeah, you lost money, but we kind of learned. I mean, both trades were pretty perfect except the first one. That one could have been better, but I mean, we learned, so we didn't really.
Yeah, that's part of the game, man. Before I joined your mentorship, I had put some money in my account and I trade and I won some, I lost some. But when I lost, I learned from the loss. So it's not like I lost. I learned something.
Yeah.
Make it better next time.
Yep. But yeah, it's the long game, so.
And there's no such thing as 100% win rate.
Yep. Yep. And that's the thing. So if I can take 2 good quality trades that fit and will give me a good probability, but then one day I decide to take 4, now I just drop my probability from a 90 or an 80 to like a 60 or a 70. So now I'm making less money at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the year. So that's why it's, when you take those losses, it's always best, even after just 1 loss. We probably could have called it after this one and just called it a day. But this fit. It was too good of a trade to pass up right here.
Yeah.
But
no, EJ just did some fuckery, bro.
Yeah.
After that spin to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't even watching EJ, but now I'm looking at his YouTube and like, yo, that was some fuckery.
Because like, look at this one. We got a low. We closed really weak. Higher low, higher high. Lower low, higher high. Now we got the higher lows, higher highs. So like, it was just the one candle we entered on. So yeah. I mean, oh well. It was, like I said, I'm take this trade 100 times every single time. This is like a full margin kind of trade. That's how much I believe in it. I'd never do that, but if I were to full margin a trade ever, that's the trade I want to do it on.
Yeah. Well, even the 5 minute. I mean, I don't trade a 5 minute, but like, the 5 minute, you can still see like.
It looked good.
Pretty good setup.
It did look good till we got to here.
A pullback and continue.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, man, like they're literally just like coming back deep before they even take off.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll adapt. We'll get through it.
1000%.
Yep. Sometimes that's just how it goes, man.
Yep.
It's like those UFC fights. You know how some people get knocked out, and then when they wake up, the referee's like rubbing their head, and the referee's like, "Don't worry, man, you just got caught."
Yep.
And they're like, "But how?"
Oh man, that was a good one.
Yeah, you got to lose the same way you win. If you win a trade, you're closing your charts. You're gonna go enjoy your win. You lose, you just gotta go about your business. Enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paul, are you just playing COD at the moment? Are you playing anything else?
Well, I've been playing Black Ops 4 now a little bit, and then Modern Warfare.
Black Ops 4.
Yeah, that one. It's a little less campy, and
come on.
I got some buddies that play it, and we kind of just kind of run it.
No, he's right though. Like Modern Warfare, bro. It's like literally there's a cave map. People literally run in the cave.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just everyone's just hard scoping with a sniper, or they're running around with a silent shotgun.
You know what the worst one, and I haven't played that map in a while, was like the yellow bridge that was in the middle. And yeah, and I hate that map with a passion.
I know you're talking about. Yeah, that's done crazy too, bro.
Yeah, like people literally spawn and like chill in the back by like the desert part of it, and do the longest snipes I've ever seen in my life. I'm like,
yeah, I know you're talking about. I was one of those guys. But I had to because it was doing it to me. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Man. You think everything's close? Think everything's clear until you see that airstrike coming and you got nowhere to go.
Yeah, man. What the hell?
Yeah, I'll probably hang out with.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Probably hang out with the woman for a little bit, and then come game if she's gonna do something.
And the rest of these guys in the Discord.
What's up?
The rest of these guys are in the Discord, like investing in Ash and.
Nope. They're
I'm
not
in,
all in there.
Slack.
Yeah.
Oh, that's on.
Yeah.
Slack.
Because I always post the link in Rakeel's group. See if it works, Hayden. You were good last time, I think. Oh, look at that. 2 for 2 for you. Form support. Broke candles to the left. Beautiful. That one worked out for you. This was, when was this? You said, GJ said was earlier. Okay. So this was about 12 and a half. So let's check out 12 and a half.
Yeah, I really should have been more patient with GJ today and just wait for an official break. Like, the minute it hit that 1 hour resistance, it was just like pure bullshit after that.
So 12 and a half, is that like right here? So you got it once it... It's a 15-minute GJ.
That's from New York, right? That chart you just put up?
Yeah, it's gotta be
Looks
right,
like
it's
New
gotta be
York
right here.
time.
Yeah, that's gotta be it. But when he sent it, it looks like it's on the 12. See how it looks like it right here? It's on... Oh, it's probably his time zone. No duh. Fucking retard. So dumb. Yeah, I was looking at this, and I was like, yeah, sells below here are going to be perfect. But the stop.
No, that is New York.
Yep.
I'm
yeah,
looking
that's
at it. That's, yeah, way back there, yeah.
Yep, because, yeah, this is New York for me, this little blue part. So, yeah, that was... Yep, same thing here. Look at price made a low below here. So it should have continued, but it didn't, and then it moved sideways. So, same thing here. We made a high, didn't continue, moving sideways. Made a low, still moving sideways. So, if you do trade with the highs and lows and it doesn't work, very, very good chance it's going to be ranging. So then, instead of it just making a new high or low to a previous, you need to wait for it to break the lowest it made and the highest it made.
Exactly.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, GJ and EJ, they beat us today, but I think we're gonna get them tomorrow. Yeah, I took 2 attempts on EJ. It took me out and then ended up playing out, but it stopped me out first, so didn't play out for me, unfortunately. GMT time, yep. But yeah, no more entries for me. That was my 2 attempts.
I'm pretty sure the next hour candle is when a move's gonna be made. Like,
yep. It's looking real good.
The hourly still has that one huge candle that hasn't been taken out, and they attempted for like what now, 2 hours?
Yep.
To break it and couldn't.
It made a high or low, so we should, unless we reject in here, but that wouldn't make sense coming with 19 minutes left. We should be closing above here and then going to that target I had mapped out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was unfortunate.
Yeah, if GJ breaks the top part of this range, like it should go fill up that way. So. And that's some bullshit.
Am I posting the trade I took? Yeah, Hayden, I already did that. I did both of them. They're both marked up. Pull them up quick since you weren't here, but I did already put them in my journal like I'm supposed to. Sometimes I don't do the losses right away because some of them are kind of annoying when you lose when it's perfect.
Yep.
And I just like to make sure I'm in a good state to give it the correct analysis. So this was the first one. This was the hourly open. So we probably should have waited for it to make a bottom wick a little deeper than just tapping this. But it did make a high and it broke the 4-hour high previous. So it made sense for me. Didn't work out, obviously. Second one was textbook trade. Took the buy when it broke the high. It kind of formed that support there. But it did take me out first. So.
Yeah, just needed a deeper stop loss, but the size of these candles is just ridiculous.
Oh, look, it's going now.
Yep.
I mean, we were right. We just couldn't. We needed to play it better, I think. Maybe go with the wider stop loss till we are. But I mean, even if we did, if we had the stop loss here, once this closed, we probably would have moved it up to here and still got taken out. So, I think either way, that was just kind of one of those probabilities where the market's just kind of like, yep, fuck you. Because, I mean, 4 hour, look at, just like I, previous 4 hours bullish, this one should go bullish. And we're going bullish. Simple.
Crazy.
Yep.
Crazy.
Yeah, my GU trade that I sent chart that I sent earlier, it's just hit the first profit target.
Nice. Nice. I'd pull up your GU, but I don't want to encourage people to trade GU during Asian session.
Yeah, that's alright.
But I'm glad you hit take profit. Someone had to.
What?
Man, that was so rude. Yeah, Hayden, it was a little rough today, but we'll manage. We'll get it tomorrow. Watch tomorrow, spreads be high, we can't even take a trade again. Yeah, she said she was on her way home from the store. What takes so long to drive home from the store? It's kind of funny. She kind of knows the lingo now. I was like, yeah, I took a loss on stream. She's like, oh, were the spreads high? I was like, ooh,
No
what do you mean are the spreads high? It's like dirty talk.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I feel like Gigi's getting ready to take off now too. Well, yeah, might be a break.
Yep. I'm gonna call it because I don't want to. No impulse for me. So that's it, guys. Kind of a rough day, but the setup was there. It just didn't want to work out. We'll be back tomorrow, same time. Nice job on that win, Hayden. I think you got a good run up to like 119, 200 area. So that should play out nicely for you. And we'll see you guys back here tomorrow.